Uganda hosts refugees from at least 5 African countries. Nearly 1 million have come from South Sudan, most of them in the past year, and they keep coming. The steady influx of refugees is creating serious strain in Uganda. The UN World Food Programme was forced to cut the food rations in May. Aid agencies have also been giving cash aid.
Sometimes we miss the cooking oil. We get only food and the beans. There is no cooking oil. Sometimes they give us the flour of the porridge.
The local food supply is stretched to the limit.
We have been forced to reduce the distribution for the month of May 50%, but that is mainly due to the physical availability of food and the arrival of food in country. We have taken every measure to make sure that in the June and July and August we have a stable pipeline.
Uganda's health system is struggling as well. The number of patients in need of care in northern Uganda has tripled. The UNFPA says it has already earmarked $1 million for this year.
That is, of course, not enough. We need at least triple or 4 times as much. And I'm talking only about reproductive health, maternal health, and gender-based violence services.
Uganda is known for its open and progressive approach to refugees. There are no camps, there are settlements. Refugees can move around freely and they can work in Uganda. But the massive influx from South Sudan is taking a toll on host communities.
A district that was supposed to host 300,000 people is now hosting 600,000, 700,000 people. That district, they are competing for trees that are used as fuel for energy. They are competing for drugs that are supposed to be used by the host communities in the health centers. They are competing for roads that were supposed to sustain the 300 people. Now the heavy trucks taking emergency relief for refugees are also plying the same route. So there are so many things that are under pressure. So we want the international community to support us, lift the pressure.
Back at the border, refugees continue to arrive. The government says Uganda will not shut its doors to people in need, but the country cannot bear this burden alone. Halima Athumani for VOA News, Adjumani, Uganda.